The main indications for in vitro fertilization with donor sperm are the following: single women who wish to be mothers on their own by choice, women with a female partner, severe male factor. Significant alterations in seminal quality may lead to recommending a change of the male gamete. Genetic diseases of the male. Certain diseases that can't be detected through pre-implantation genetic testing, or the inability or desire of couples not to use it, may make the use of a sperm donor necessary to avoid transmitting the disease to the offspring. And karyotype alterations, either due to having a high number of altered embryos or because patients don't want to do PGT. In any case, it's essential to follow all the specialists' recommendations to achieve the maximum chance of getting pregnant.